Hello and welcome back to my channel. In many cultures around the world, marriage is seen as a sacred bond, a commitment that comes before starting a family. In both Zulu and Saudi cultures, the belief in no children before marriage is deeply rooted in tradition, values, and religious principles. But why is this practice so important? So today, we're gonna explore this culture of no children before marriage in Zulu and Saudi culture. Marriage has long been the foundation of family life in many societies. In Zulu and Saudi cultures, having children before marriage is not just frowned upon, it goes against deeply held cultural and religious beliefs. But what are the reasons behind this? Is it about tradition, respect, or something more? In Zulu culture, marriage, and that is umshado, is a significant rite of passage. It represents unity, family honor, and the continuation of the lineage. Traditionally, having children outside of marriage was seen as disrespectful to the ancestors, amadlozi, and could bring shame to the family. Lobola, which is the practice of paying a bride price, further reinforces the importance of finalizing a relationship before starting a family. In the past, if a woman had a child before marriage, specific rituals were performed to cleanse her and restore family honor. And this is still practiced in many families. In Saudi Arabia, Islamic teachings guide social and family structures. According to Islam, marriage is a sacred contract that must come before intimacy and childbirth. Family honor and reputation play a major role in Saudi society. Premarital relationships and children born out of wedlock can lead to social and legal consequences. The Saudi legal system, based on Sharia law, emphasizes marriage as the only acceptable foundation for starting a family. Beyond religion, this practice also ensures that children are born into a stable and committed households. Now I'll share some similarities between Zulu and Saudi cultures when it comes to marriage and having children before marriage. Both cultures prioritize family honor and the holiness of marriage. Marriage is seen as a responsibility, not just a romantic union. Respect for elders and ancestors plays a role in both societies. Bringing a child into the world outside of marriage is seen as dishonoring the family. In both cultures, modern influences have led to some changes, but traditional values remain strong. To conclude, Zulu and Saudi cultures may come from different continents, but they share a deep respect for the institution of marriage. What do you think about this tradition? Do you believe children should only be born within marriage? Let's discuss this in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cultural insights from around the world. Thank you for watching. Until next time, nisale kahle, masalama.